Hi, Caleb Moodis-Paul of the Greenfield Branch Library of the Highland County District Library, here today to talk to you about how to use the Libby by Overdrive app on your smartphone so that you can access a list of wonderful movies, books, and audiobooks at your own convenience today. Let's get started. Okay, so I do want to preface this by saying I am using an iPhone. So to any Apple user, this is going to look familiar, but even to an Android user, this is going to look very similar. So I'm going to open up the application and you'll initially sign in using a username and a password, and then you'll log in your card information as well as your PIN number. That way you can log into the Ohio Digital Library, as you can see me pulling up now. And it gives you options of featured titles, suggested books based on previous reads, and it's going to allow you the option to click on any of those books that you would like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on The Book Woman of Troublesome Creek, and it's going to give me the option to borrow or read a sample if I'm not sure. I'm going to go ahead and borrow it. So I'm going to click borrow, and there's the option, my card number there. I click borrow, and it's going to start downloading it, and it gives it to me for 21 days. So just about the same amount of time as you would get a normal book at the library. Once I click it, it's going to show me the book inside and out, pages, and the first initial table of contents. And I can begin immediately swiping left, seeing page to page, the table of contents, the chapters. And it's a very fun app to use because you can see the pages. And I think certain applications, you can even get a page background. It'll give you options to bookmark, it'll give you chapters, and you can go back to where you left off. And then when you're finished, you can simply return it, as I'm going to do. So once I return it, it just goes away. And that's all there is to it. And that's how it's done. Now don't forget, you can utilize not only Libby, but Hoopla, the SEO Libraries app, the online database using our website, or by calling into your local branch library and ordering there. As we slowly move out of quarantine, it's important to remember that we are here for you and that we look forward to having you back in our branches soon. But until then, curbside pickup is a wonderful option to get your favorite books and movies today. Until then, have a great day. See ya.